Soccer has rules. Not many, but the ones it has are sacred. Learn these, and nothing on the field will confuse you ever again. Rule 1: No hands. If you touch the ball with your hand or arm, it's a foul, called a handball. Immediate stoppage of play. The one exception: the goalkeeper. They can catch, punch, or throw the ball with their hands, but only inside their own penalty box. A foul is any illegal action, pushing, tripping, or pulling an opponent. The referee stops play and gives the other team a free kick. A free kick lets the fouled team kick the ball from the spot of the foul, with defenders needing to be at least 10 yards away. Now, the card system. Yellow card, a formal warning. Get 2 yellows in the same game, and you're automatically ejected. Red card, immediate ejection. No argument. You walk off the field and your team plays the rest of the game with 1 fewer player. 10 versus 11. Now, the most controversial rule in soccer. Offside. Don't worry. I'm going to make this simple. You're offside if you're closer to the opponent's goal than the ball and the second to last defender at the moment the ball is passed to you. Think of it this way: you can't sneak behind the defense and just wait for the ball. You have to stay level with or behind the last defender. Important: you can't be offside from a corner kick, a throw-in, or a goal kick. Only from regular passes. Corner kick: when a defender kicks the ball over their own goal line, the attacking team gets to kick it from the corner of the field. Goal kick: when an attacking player sends the ball over the defending team's goal line, the goalkeeper restarts play with a kick from inside the box. Throw-in: when the ball goes out over the sideline, the team who didn't touch it last throws it back in with both hands, from above their head. The penalty kick: this is the big one. A foul inside the penalty box gives the other team a shot on goal from 12 yards, one-on-one with the keeper. No wall. No defenders. If the score is tied at the end of knockout stage matches, the game goes to extra time, 2 15-minute periods. Still tied? Penalty shootout. 5 kicks each, alternating. Sudden death if still level after 5. The most nerve-wracking 5 minutes in sports. VAR, Video Assistant Referee. Technology that allows officials to review goals, red cards, and penalties using camera replays. A few minutes of video review. That covers every rule you need to enjoy the 2026 World Cup. No jargon. No surprises. Just soccer. Next up, why exactly is the World Cup bigger than the Super Bowl? The answer will shock you. Subscribe to find out.